How are you, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of two cats and a monkey. There were two cats. They were friends. They played together. They ate together. One day they had no food. They were very hungry. They found a roti. Both of them want it. They fought for it. A monkey saw them. He also want the roti. He came near the cats and said, I will help you. I will divide it into two pieces. The monkey cut the roti into two uneven pieces. One piece was large and the other was small. Then he ate a small part from the large piece. He took bite from other piece too. Thus he ate the whole roti. Then he climbed back the tree. He laughed at the cats. The foolish cats were hungry. See you again that day with a new story. Bye bye. Thank you.